Okay, Bill spins, trying to get more than 100. And he gets 40, 90. You did it.
This is CBS News from New York. We are getting reports of mass protests around the country after President Reagan's announcement of the use of nuclear weapons in West Germany. Some of these protests have turned violent. The Pentagon, White House, and Capitol Hill have all been breached. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. We interrupt our programming. This is a
My fellow Americans, at these critical hours, you deserve the most up-to-date information. As a result, I am unable to address you directly at this time. As you will probably know by now, protesters have breached some U.S. government buildings, including the White House. It is with great sorrow that I must inform you that President Ronald Reagan has died as a result. The status of his family is unknown at this time. As a result, I have taken the oath of office and am now your 41st president. We must restore order to prepare for any eventualities. As such, I am enacting martial law across the entire continental United States. I order all civilians who are not part of the armed forces to return to their homes. I have given the military freedom to deal with any situation however they see fit. If you do not comply with our armed forces, you will be dealt with accordingly, up to and including death. I do not like taking these measures, and I pray for any lives lost. But these steps are necessary in order to prepare for a potential nuclear strike against the United States. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
We're seeing eye to eye with you today in every way. The way we live, the way we love, the way we laugh and play.